Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the GTA 5 exited unexpectedly error. First, we will verify the game files. If you are using Steam, open your library, find Grand Theft Auto 5, right-click on it, and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and wait for it to complete. If you are using Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, find GTA 5, click on the three dots, select Manage, and then click Verify. For users on Rockstar Games Launcher, open Settings, go to My Installed Games, select Grand Theft Auto 5, and click on Verify File Integrity. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause crashes and errors like this. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open GeForce Experience or go to their official website and download the latest drivers. If you are using AMD, visit their website and install the newest version of your drivers. After updating, restart your computer before launching the game again. Next, check for third-party mods. Mods can often cause the game to crash, especially after updates. Go to your Grand Theft Auto V installation folder and look for files related to mods, such as Script Hook or any custom add-ons. Remove or disable these files, then try to run the game again to see if the issue is fixed. After all steps are done, launch the game again and check if the problem is solved. Thanks for watching.